Welcome, my fellow writers. Today, I want to take you on a journey to one of my favorite spots in town. Let's go and check out the Lighthouse Writers Workshop in Denver, the ultimate sanctuary for writers seeking inspiration and focus. A place whose only mission is to let writers imagine the impossible. Imagine stepping into a space where creativity and comfort intertwine seamlessly. As you walk on the outside, you're greeted by magnificent views of the rustic industrial Denver. A beautiful, imaginative, spiral steel staircase. Its elegant curves drawing you into a world where imagination can soar. The wooden walk floors, the bookcases. The warmth of the wood floors beneath your feet creates a comforting foundation, setting the stage for your writing journey. Every corner of this unique space is adorned with shelves brimming with books, each one a source of inspiration, ready to spark your creativity. Discover cozy nooks where you can slip away and let your thoughts flow freely. This intimate space has offered the perfect retreat for immersing yourself away from the distractions of the outside world. Whether you're crafting intricate plots or developing rich characters, the Lighthouse Writers Workshop provides a nurturing environment that encourages deep concentration and creativity. And with Denver's vibrant cityscape just beyond the window, you'll find endless inspiration right at your fingertips. At the Lighthouse Writers Workshop, you're not just writing a novel. You're finding a place where your story can truly come to life. Come, immerse yourself in the creative haven where every detail is designed to help your words shine and your creativity take you to places you could have never imagined were possible. So follow me for more as we enter these places where you can find your own lighthouse and as well. Follow me for more stories.